Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Thursday, 7th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which last couple of sessions, in keeping with other of the currency charts that I look at, basically gold is now consolidated as the dollar has just stalled a little bit, and that's manifested itself in 2 or 3 building candles with very small bodies basically moving sideways. You see the RSI 36, that is below, a shade below these levels that it saw in sort of late September and November of the reaction lows. And you would argue that you are still looking a little bit corrective on the MACD lines and stochastics. But the fact that we're holding on to support at 1276 is important. And it's just consolidating now. So it'll be interesting to see. I mean, if the dollar continues to strengthen, will gold break down? I think probably yes. But certainly for now, that dollar strength has dissipated and subsequently gold's selling pressure has eased slightly. So that support at 1276 is important. You break that, you then look at gold back towards that uptrend, support around 1242 area. So it is an important support, that 1276, because then it really does start to move significantly corrective. But at the moment we are consolidating between 1276 and arguably the breakdown levels back below 1298, 1302 and the long-term pivot at 1300. So that's overhead supply, that's resistance now. So you've got the levels between there. On a near-term basis, 1290 seems to be a basis of resistance, being a pivot line. Very small pivot line, but still a pivot line. 1290 spot 60 was the resistance that we saw yesterday before the market sort of fell over again. So, and 1280.70 has held this morning. Very interesting as well. So we're basically trading in this sort of $10 range at the moment as the market sort of settles into, look at RSI between 40 and 60 on the hourly chart, between basically hovering around neutral on the MACD line. So the market is looking for the next catalyst, but it'll be interesting to see if it can now break either the 1276 level of support or the back above the 1300 buck area. So they are the key levels to watch. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.